Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I want to show you this really handy eyebrow pencil from Rimmel. So this is an awesome way to fill in your brows in a very natural looking way. So it just adds a little extra boost and a little pop to your eyebrows. So this is the Professional Eyebrow Pencil. And this is the color dark brown, or 00 is the shade. So there's a few things that I like about this. First of all, it comes with this little attached brush on the cap. So it's a really nice way to just brush out your eyebrows, and you can do that before or after you apply the product. So the product itself is very easy to use. It's just this little pencil. You can sharpen it as needed. And I think it just adds a really nice natural way to fill in eyebrows that are a little bit sparse or a little bit bare. As you can see on mine, I have some kind of bald or sparse patches. So this is just a nice way to fill those in and to define my brows. So I like that this really adds a nice, easy way to frame your face, frame your eyes with those eyebrows and make it look really natural and full. So if you are looking for a way to define your eyebrows, then I would definitely check out this Rimmel product. I really like it, and that's my point of view.